In the vast, blue expanse of our planet's oceans, one creature reigns supreme, a master of its domain, honed by millions of years of evolution. The great white shark. For as long as we have explored the seas, this magnificent animal has captured our imagination, embodying the very essence of a perfect predator. Its streamlined, torpedo-shaped body allows it to slice through the water with incredible speed and grace. Reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing more than 2 tons, its sheer size is awe-inspiring. Armed with rows of serrated, razor-sharp teeth, it is an incredibly efficient hunter, capable of explosive bursts of speed to ambush its prey from below. Its senses are extraordinarily sharp. It can detect the faintest electrical fields generated by living animals and smell a single drop of scent in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. In the marine food web, the great white sits comfortably at the top, a keystone species that helps maintain the health and balance of ocean ecosystems by regulating populations of seals, sea lions, and other large marine animals for decades. Scientists and documentarians have portrayed it as the undisputed king of the sea, an apex predator with no natural enemies. It seems invincible, a solitary ruler of the underwater world, feared by all. But what if I told you this powerful monarch has a challenger? That there is another creature in the ocean, a predator so intelligent, so powerful, that even the mighty great white shark will flee at its very presence. The story of the ocean's hierarchy is more complex than it appears, and the king, it turns out, is not entirely unchallenged. This surprising adversary is none other than the orca, or killer whale. Despite its name, the orca is not a whale at all. It's the largest member of the dolphin family, and it is arguably the most intelligent animal in the ocean. Orcas possess the second largest brains among all marine mammals and exhibit complex social behaviors that rival those of primates. They live in tight-knit family groups called pods, which are often led by the oldest female, the matriarch. Within these pods, they communicate using a sophisticated system of clicks, whistles, and calls, with different pods even developing their own unique dialects. This social structure is the key to their success. And like the largely solitary great white, orcas are cooperative hunters. They work together, using strategy, communication, and learned techniques passed down through generations to hunt a wide variety of prey, from small fish and seals to large baleen whales. Their intelligence allows them to devise ingenious methods. Some create waves to wash seals off ice floes, while others herd fish into tight bait balls. It is this combination of brainpower, social cohesion, and sheer size, with males reaching up to 32 feet long and weighing over 6 tons, that places the orca in a league of its own. They are the true master strategists of the sea, and when their hunting parties cross paths with a great white shark, the established order of the ocean is turned upside down. So how does this happen? How does an orca manage to overcome one of the most formidable predators on Earth? The answer lies not just in brute force, but in a remarkable display of intelligence and knowledge of their prey's anatomy. Orcas have developed a very specific and highly effective technique to hunt great white sharks. When an orca targets a shark, it doesn't engage in a chaotic brawl. Instead, it uses its speed and agility to approach the shark from the side and flip it upside down. This action induces a state of temporary paralysis in the shark known as tonic immobility. For sharks, being in this inverted position causes a disoriented, trance-like state. They become completely helpless. The orca understands this vulnerability and exploits it with incredible precision. While the shark is immobilized, the orca can hold it in this position near the surface. The process is surprisingly calm and strategic, a testament to the orca's deep understanding of its fellow ocean dwellers. This isn't a random act. It's a learned behavior, a hunting tradition passed from mother to calf. The orcas seem to be specifically interested in the shark's liver, which is large and rich in an oil called squalene. Providing a high-energy meal, they are selective, often consuming only this organ and leaving the rest of the shark's carcass behind. This surgical precision highlights the orca's intelligence and adaptability as a hunter, choosing the most nutrient-rich parts of its prey. The ecological consequences of these encounters are profound and far-reaching, demonstrating the significant impact these top predators have on the entire marine ecosystem. Scientists studying great white shark populations have observed a fascinating and immediate behavioral change in the presence of orcas. When orcas enter a known great white hotspot, such as the waters around South Africa's Seal Island, the sharks don't just become more cautious, they vanish. Satellite tagging studies have shown that in the hours and days following an orca's arrival, the entire local population of great whites will flee the area, sometimes for an entire season. This fear effect creates what scientists call a landscape of fear, where the mere presence of a top predator can reshape the behavior and distribution of other species. The departure of the sharks has a domino effect on the food web. For example, the Cape for seals, which are a primary food source for the great whites in that region, become much bolder. With their main predator gone, they change their foraging patterns, venturing into areas that were previously too dangerous. This, in turn, can affect the populations of fish that the seals prey upon. So, the interaction between orcas and great whites isn't just a one-on-one battle. It's an event that sends ripples through the entire ecosystem, altering the balance of power and influencing the behavior of multiple species down the food chain. It shows just how interconnected life in the ocean truly is. This incredible dynamic between the orca and the great white shark forces us to reconsider our understanding of the ocean's hierarchy. It's a powerful reminder that in nature, nothing is absolute. The animal we crown the unchallenged king of the sea has its own formidable superior. The great white shark is a perfect predator, but the orca is a strategic genius. Its intelligence, social structure, and cooperative hunting ability is elevated to a level that even the mighty shark cannot contest. This relationship isn't just about predation, it's about the intricate and often surprising connections that define life in the ocean. It reveals a food web that is less like a simple pyramid and more like a complex, ever-shifting web of interactions. Every creature, no matter how powerful, plays a role in a larger story. The saga of the orca and the great white teaches us that there is always more to learn about the mysterious world beneath the waves, and that in the vast deep blue there is almost always a bigger, or in this case a smarter fish. The ocean keeps its secrets well, but with each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for its complexity and the magnificent creatures that call it home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this journey into the ocean's depths, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible stories from our natural world.